Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for x in log x in base 2 plus log x in base 3 equals 5. We see solution. We have log x in base 2 plus log x in base 3 equals 5. So from here, recall that when we have log b in base a, this is equals log b divided by log a. So the above expression will now become, for this, we will have log x divided by log₂ plus, and for this, we have log x divided by log₃. So log x divided by log₃, this is equals 5. Now we have log x here, log x here. We factorize log x out. We have log x, then we have a bracket 1 divided by what is left here. We have log₂ plus what is left here, 1 divided by log₃, equals 5. So we'll have log x, this we have to find the LCM of log₂ and log₃, and that is log₂ multiplied by log₃. So log₂ in log₂, log₃, we will have log₃, then times 1 plus log₃ in log₂, times log₃, we will have log₂, then multiply by 1. We have it equals 5. We have log x, this times this, log₃ times 1, we have log₃, plus log₂ times 1, we have log₂, divided by log₂ times log₃, equals 5. So from here, let's also recall that when we have log a plus log b, this is equals log a times b, that is 1. So we will have this will become log x, the above will become log x, then bracket log. So this is addition of logarithm. We change this plus to multiplication. We have 3 times 2 divided by log₂ multiplied by log₃. This is equals 5. So we have log x, we have log 3 times 2, we have 6, divided by log₂ multiplied by log₃, equals 5. So if you multiply this back, we'll have log x multiply it with this, log₃, we have divided by log₂ multiplied by log₃, equals 5. So from here, if we cross multiply, we will have this one is 1. We have log x times log 6 times 1. Then we have log 2 times log 3 times 5. So now we will have log x times log 6 equals 5 times log 2 multiplied by log 3. So we have log x times log 6 equals 5 multiplied by log 2 multiplied by log 3. So from here, if we divide both sides by log 6, divide both sides by log 6. So we have what we have here. We have log x multiplied by log 6 equals 5 times log 2 multiplied by log 3. We have divided by log 6 log 6. This we cancel this, so we will be left with log x equals 5 multiplied by log 2 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 6. So there are two ways to find the solution from here. So, but let's say first way, the first way here. So let's say we want to, let's take note of this. So from here, the first way is we have log x equals 5 multiplied by log 2. Then you put this 6 under here. We have log 6. Then we have multiplied by log 3. So from here, we divide both sides by log 3. If we divide both sides by log 3, we will have log x divided by log 3 equals 5. We have multiplied by log 2 divided by log 6. Then we have log 3 here. So if you divide by log 3, so we have something like this. So from here, you will observe that this will cancel this, and this will becomes 1. So we will have log x divided by log 3 equals 5 times log 2 divided by log 6. So we have 1 here times 1, we have this. So but recall that when we have log a divided by log b, so this is equals log a and base b. So transforming the above expression, we will have, for this we will have log x and base 3, log x and base 3 equals 5 times log 2 divided by log 6. And applying this to this as well, we will have log x and base 3 equals 5 multiplied by log, we have log 2 and base 6. We're almost there. So, and to find this from our law of logarithm, if we have log x and base a equals b, this will use to power this to be equal to this. So we will have x will be equals a raised to power b. So if you apply the same thing to the above expression, we'll have, therefore, we'll have x to be equals this will be equals to 3 raised to power this. We'll have 3 raised to power 5 multiplied by log 2 in base 6. If we have this from our law of indices, when we have x raised to power a times b, this is equals x raised to power a then raised to power b. So from here now, this will become x equals 3 raised to power 5 then raised to power log 2 in base 6. So here we will have x equals 3 raised to power 5 will give us 2, 4, 3 raised to power log 2 in base 6. But from here, log, let's say this log 2 in base 6, this is equals log 2 divided by log 6. Here we have log 2. We press log 2 from calculator, we have 0.3010, and log 6 is equal to 0.7782. If we divide them, so we will have 0.3868. So if we substitute this into this, we will have x equals 243 raised to power 0.3868. So then we will have x to be equals 8.37. So these are x for the first way. So let's try the second way. Let's remember that we have our original expression is log x equals 5 times log 2 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 6. These are our initial expression. So from this we will express log x equals 5 times log 2 times log 3 divided by log 6. So when we have it like this, so we divide both sides by log 2. So we have log x divided by 2 equals 5 times log 2. So let's divide this one by 2. So multiply by log 3 divided by log 6. So we will have, we have log 2 here. So from here we will have log x divided by log 2, which is equals 5. Then we have this one to be 1 times log 3 divided by log 6. So this, we've already explained that this will become log x in base 2 equals 5 times 1, that is 5. Then we have 5. Then this will become log 3 in base 6. So having arrived here, so we've already explained that this becomes 2 raised to power 5 log 3 in base 6 equals x. So we'll have x to be equals 2 raised to power 5 log 3 in base 6, like this. So we'll have x to be equals 2 raised to power 5, that is 2 raised to power 5. Then we have log₃ in the 6. So we have x equals 2 raised to power 5, that is 32. We have raised to power log₃ in the 6. So this is our answer for this. And to show that it is equal to 8.37 as well, we will have, let's check, they will have the same value. So let's do it here. We have log, log₃ in base 6 equals log₃ divided by log₃. So log₃ is equals 0.4771. Then log₃ is equals 0.7782. If we divide this and this, we have 0.6131. So now, if we substitute that x equals 32 raised to power 0.6131. So if you press your calculator, you get x equals 8.37. So this is our answer. So our x is equal to 8.37. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on the next video. Bye.